how to use redeem code in iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use redeem code in iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use redeem code on iPhone, if you have an App Store redeem code or your Apple gift card or whatever else it is, now there are many ways to redeem it. If you're trying to redeem from App Store to purchase a certain app, you can open up your App Store, tap on your Apple ID profile from the top right. Then here you'll find an option that says redeem gift card or code. Tap on redeem gift card or code. Then all you have to do is simply you can use the camera to scan the gift card automatically by placing it behind the camera, or you can also enter the code manually by tapping on enter code manually, and then just go ahead and then basically enter the code manually from here. And once you have done that, you will be able to go ahead and then enter the redeem code. Once you enter the redeem code, you can go ahead and then redeem it successfully. That's all it takes to redeem or use your Apple gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.